Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Python series. So in this video we will be recreating our port scanner, but this time we will be using multi-threading. So our port scanner scans all ports 10x faster. Okay, so in this video you will learn what multi-threading is, why scanners need parallel execution, how Python threads works, how to build a fast port scanner. And if you are learning Python for cybersecurity, like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification and comment threads down below. So why our previous scanner was slow? Because it has this logic in it. So this scans sequentially. For example, it will go like this: 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So that's why it was slow. Solution to this is multi-threading, which allows multiple tasks to run at the same time. So let's first import our socket and threading module. Threading allows Python to run parallel tasks. And after that, we create a port scan function. And then we create a socket. Not this one. AF underscore inet, comma, socket dot sock underscore stream. Okay, and then we set a timeout of 1 second. So it takes a 1 second pause after scanning ports. And then result. Actually, it should be here. Yeah. Connect underscore X to connect to the port. And here we give the port and the target. And after that, we'll say if result equals to 0, which means connection successful, it will say port and the port variable and open, and then it will close it. Okay, then comes our step 3, which will be creating threads. For that we'll use for loop first for the range 11025 and colon, and then we create threading here. We enable threading using these lines. It should be dot and target equals to scan underscore port, comma args, which means arguments, and port. Yeah, and that's it. Then we start our thread. So this line creates a thread and target functions to run. This is used to function. Target is a function to run, and args, I mistyped it, and args is arguments for the function. Okay, so there's one thing missing here, which is our target. So let's add target and try to execute it and check if it got any error or no. Okay, and here comes our scanning and target. Okay, so now let's try running it, and as you can see, it scanned all these 3 ports very fast, unlike the previous one. Otherwise it would have gone like this: 1 2 3 4, like this. So that's how we increased our Python port scanner speed. Thank you guys for watching.